Next is manual input, and manual input is very useful in getting the input from users inside the system to be able to proceed with the execution of the rest of the steps. So you can get a record linked input or record independent input. So record linked input is suitable if the task needs to be
part of Haytham Metwally's Udemy course, Fortinet FortiSOAR from zero to hero.
And this is a record IRI of the alert, as we mentioned. So we need the input in the context of the input alert coming from the previous step, or it's a record independent. So actually you select this one if the task is generic and does not depend upon any record context for completion. So for example, the task is related to again like the manual task that we mentioned of wiping the disk, for example. So we need him to put some input saying the task is done and the disk is cleared or something like this. And in either cases you select the input prompt configuration, so you have decision based like that you get the response 1, response 2, and he select one of the two responses like yes or no, or task done or not done. So we need to have this prompt for him to select, or this is malicious or not malicious, if you are getting the reputation input from the user as a second opinion. Again, this is useful to select the decision based input prompt, or to use input based. And input based allows you to design your input. So as soon as I select input based, you will get this build input prompt. This is not coming with the decision based. Okay, so when you choose the input based, you can actually define your fields, your custom fields or record fields, to design the prompt as you wish. Maybe you will ask him for providing some input investigation details, or some other thing that requires more customization. In both cases, or for on the level of the manual input, you can actually seek the input from external users, not necessarily to be someone has an access to the FortiSOAR. In that case, you create a link for the users outside FortiSOAR and send